Icon Bharat 2024 Conference, a two-day international event, bridging heritage, ancient research, and advanced technologies, organized by the Sri Maharishi Research Institute of Vedic Technology in collaboration with BrahMos, DRDO, BITS Pilani, and several other partners, was held in Hyderabad. During the valedictory session of Icon Bharat 2024, Y.S. Chaudhary, MLA from Andhra Pradesh and guest of honor, pledged to open doors and support SRIVT's mission to bridge Vedic knowledge and modern science.
Basically, ideation is the fastest mortality rate if we don't incubate. Ideation, incubation, commercialization and scaling up. End of the day, we all work towards better living standards for the humankind across the world. So whatever we talk, the subject, whatever we are talking about, ancient science space, which over a period of over centuries, everyone knows that India has got a very rich ancient history. Still people are unearthing what else India can give. Today when I saw some of the nanomaterials what this institute have developed, as a layman I don't understand how they were produced and all those things, because it has got its own strength and processes. But the application side, if we see, it has to be rechecked. That is the key point. So this institution should go towards the application side. I also have been trying to understand, particularly in the healthcare. Our country have been trying to take care of the health of the people. But my understanding is we have been doing only sick care. It's a reactive management. We are not able to do anything to prevent the sickness. The best way is if we can go back to the ancient ways to understand how a healthy man can live for full 100 years. We have definitely our ancient science says that holistic health approach, whether it is homeopathy or Ayurveda or naturopathy. But allopathy, because of the fundamental economics, works extremely fast in allopathy. If we see statistics also, there are two industries have been growing extremely well. One is food industry, the other one is hospitals, healthcare. Because the quality of the food human beings have been consuming eventually making people to land in unhealthy conditions. That is why these two industries are doing extremely well worldwide. So this has to be understood, and with your basic education it's very easy to learn and know. But there is something which you cannot learn from the missions are experience and wisdom. That's what all the great people sitting here on the dais can bring. So please respect the ancient values, based on which small way if you start trying. So first time in my life I went and contested from the direct elections in Vijayawada West Constituency. Post elections, I started training my people saying that Namaskaram, Prati Namaskaram and Samskaram Gabati, please don't give shake hands. Please continue to do only Namaskaram and Prati Namaskaram. Which half of it's a 3 lakh population, I think, if not half, 1/3 of the people in 3 months, they have already started getting there. So similarly, if we start getting into the ancient knowledge and technology, it's very easy. Easy means once we start practicing. So, the today challenge what Mr. Shastri have been talking is how to make use of their research and how to commercialize and scaling up, which with little understanding, I also see a lot of benefit towards the environment. If this can be produced without much overconsumption, etc., and without getting into mining, setting of basic minerals, that also helps our environment, and that is also a big answer to our global warming, which we are entire world is facing. How to bridge the gap between Vedic science and the modern science? That is a very big subject. It's not that easy. Any number of programs we conduct from Science and Technology Ministry or your Defense Ministry, etc., etc. But it's a very conscious approach. Government can do very little, in my opinion. Every civilian, every citizen of this country has to focus. But at the same time, how can youngsters can focus on that, because their livelihood is very important for them. So there is a need for us to retrain the people to believe the ancient sciences and to restart to correct our thinking and to bring everything on application side. So everyone knows that our globalization definitely brought lot of maybe positive things, but many negative things to our country, particularly whole our giant family system has collapsed. That is also one of the main reasons for getting out of track from the ancient sciences. So earlier days, everything is a cooperative system, Sarkar Sangal. So people used to use the ancient ways and means how to run kitchen garden. That is how they used to have the healthy food. As an MLA, definitely from Bharatiya Janata Party, I can open some doors for you. I cannot guarantee something. I can open some doors for you. So you are most welcome for anything I can be of any help to develop this institute. I also come from engineering background. I always tell everyone, end of the day, though by qualification I am an engineer, by choice I became an entrepreneur, for which I have definitely spent my prime youth, blood and sweat. By surprise I got into politics. Wherever I go, the two M's, M and M, men and money management is important. Even for this institute, that is what it is required. Probably I can commit here from this dais, Shastri Garu, whatever you need, if I can be of an help, please do come to me. I'll definitely support. Thank you very much.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.